Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. I'd like to give you basically a brief update. This is the 1957 Porsche 356 Roadster tribute car. And I apologize, it's kind of crowded here. Our camera person is away. So I thought I would just see how this turns out. I'll do a brief walk around kind of in this confined area here. We've done quite a bit of work on it. It's just ready to go out. I'm going to take it to get the alignment done. We've got a lot of progress made on this car. It's like I mentioned, it's a tribute car, or some people like to call them a kit car. This has got a really nice high quality fiberglass body. We've made a lot of upgrades to it. We sanded, did a lot of body repair and repainted the vehicle. It hasn't been polished yet. We've done quite a few upgrades. We have the new Porsche style headlights. These are the real glass H4 bulb. The chrome is new. It has the textured glass look to it, if you will, and the upgraded bulb. The marker and signal lights down below are new. The original ones were just a marker. Then now we have the marker and signal. And then as we come down the side, we've got our windshield is kind of preset in there right now. Still has to be installed all the way. We've done quite a bit of work in the interior. It had questionable dash and stuff, so now we have more of a Porsche-like, more correct looking. It's we're not trying to fool anybody saying that it's a Porsche. It's still a tribute car. The dash is completely different. We've got the nice gauges. I'm not sure about the lighting, so I've just got an extra light here. It might be too much of a glare. But you can see hopefully you can see the gauges. We've got the nice eyebrow up above. That light might be too much maybe. So I apologize for the crude video. What we'll do is when the weather's nicer, we'll take it outside and shoot a nice video. So what we've done is basically we removed all of the product that they had on the original dash. It had just the one gauge in the middle from a Volkswagen Beetle. Didn't have this nice stitching or eyebrow or padding. And then we have these nice aluminum, like a billet style, so the horn button to the left, and then we've got the nice pull out for the headlights. There's one more button coming, and that's going to be for the electric windshield washer. We've got the nice leather dash pad. This is all custom. We made a pattern and then had it double stitched, and then we have the padding in behind, and then it's stitched and padded quite nicely. And then our gauges, you can see we've got, I think it's 22 test kilometers on it so far. So we've got the speedo on the left with the trip meter. It's converted to fully electronic. You've got your tachometer in the center, and then we have our other gauges here on the side where you've got the oil temperature, fuel, and then you've got your little lights that will pop onto. And then you can see we've got full carpet set. I apologize for the lighting, and it's kind of dusty too. We've got the nice custom door panels that were made. We've got the nice toppers that go on top of the doors. They're finished off quite nice too, I think. I kind of like that look. And then as you come towards the back, it has the full carpet. Nice quality carpet that we've got installed all the way around. And then it's an optional little cushion seat for the back. Basically, I would say it's for gym bags and so on. And then under that is the carpet. The seats have all been reupholstered. And then the steering wheel is natural wood, and we sanded it and urethaned it. And then you can see we've got an upgraded MP shifter in here with the reverse loop, or the loop for the reverse gear. We've got the nice leather boot that surrounds the base of it, and then we have our nice seats. So these were all redone, the real leather, and it matches quite nice. So stitching's all quite nice in it. The carpet is all brand new. So it looks quite smart, I think, and it's just it's quite dusty, and I apologize, we haven't wet sanded or polished it yet, so we'll be doing some polishing after we get the alignment done, and then we'll get some test miles on it, and we've only got, I think, 22 so far in terms of kilometers. So quite a nice body style. I've always liked this style of car. And at the back we've got the authentic tail lights And then we have our engine lid with the nice louver in the center. So it's a very traditional looking tribute car. Some people that have seen it so far say, wow, I can't believe you got a real 356, but we don't have the insignias on the side, because you get the Speedster labels on the side if you would like, and you can get the Porsche symbols and so on. But this is going to be quite a clean car. In another video, what we'll do is we'll share with you the upgrade. You can see the wiper blades and arms are not on yet, and it's still quite dusty, so we'll make sure that we get it nice and clean in the next video. We've got all the bumpers adjusted, and there's a lot of little things like the bumpers themselves, the hardware, the bolts that fasten them in. You can see the dust there. So those bolts, we sandblasted them and powder coated them high gloss black, because we don't want them to chip over time or peel or rust. And then with a nice headlight, so it's just a nice contrast. In the front, you can see we've got the Porsche crest in the hood trim. But I think that's the only area that it says Porsche. But I apologize, it's terrible weather outside, and it's been noisy in the shop. So what we'll do is basically, this is just kind of a teaser kind of thing, and then once we make a little more progress on it and polish it up, we'll get a nice day, and we'll show you how really nice it looks with the sunlight on it, because the paint and the body, we've got all of the body gaps set up quite nice, the chrome door handles and the authentic looking wheels. They're powder coated, and there's a metallic, probably come up in the video, so we sandblasted and powder coated those, so they've got a nice look to them. Nice authentic look. And then with the padded dash and gauges and so on, it just it's going to be quite fun car to drive. So this is the 1957 tribute car, Porsche 356, and apologize for the crude video, but we'll share with you a nicer one soon. So thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.